Hi guys, this is Mark of Tech Pinas. Are you currently having problems doing an initial setup of your freshly bought Windows 10 laptop? Specifically after choosing your language, region, and keyboard layout, and after connecting to a Wi-Fi network and turning on some preferences, do you see that the initial setup hangs and gives you a blue screen right after you click "Got it" and the Office comes with your device page? Have you tried restarting your laptop by long pressing the power button, but you still get the same initial setup problem when you reach that page? Well, here's a possible solution that could work for you. If you're at home and you have access to it, just turn off your Wi-Fi router or the Wi-Fi network that you connected to the first time you tried to set up your new laptop. If you connected to a public Wi-Fi network, go to a place beyond the reach of this network so that the laptop won't automatically connect to it during the setup. You need to do this because there's no way to turn off Wi-Fi on your laptop during the initial setup process. The reason why you are getting the hanging blue screen during setup is most likely because the unit is having a hard time authenticating Microsoft Office via the internet. You can bypass this by simply setting up the laptop without an internet connection. This will give you a more general, faster, and simpler initial setup process without lengthy personalization or authentication procedures. This solution is actually very easy, but it can be quite a headache to figure out. Setting up a new laptop should be fun and enjoyable, so I hope Microsoft can make this procedure totally hassle-free for all consumers. Anyway, I hope this Tech Pinas tech tutorial was able to help you. If we did, I hope that you can like this video and subscribe to the Tech Pinas YouTube channel. Alright, till the next Tech Pinas tech tutorial, see you!